people don't realize that skin tone varies by region, and you could be Native American or indigenous to the Americas and be any one of these skin tones. That's because variations of human skin color are an adaptive trait. And they correlate closely with geography, because depending on where your people are from, either above or below the equator, will directly correlate with how much UV radiation you're exposed to, thus influencing your skin color. Now, there's a common misconception both in and outside the Native American and indigenous communities that you can only be Native if you are dark-skinned. And nothing could be further from the truth, especially when we're looking at natives from Greenland and the Arctic regions of Canada. We can also see light-skinned individuals in both the northern United States as well as the southern part of South America. And skin color isn't the only thing that's affected. It can also affect your hair color, eye color, and even facial features, with wider noses being seen closer to the equator and smaller eyes seen more north. The genes that helped us survive the best are the ones that won out. So if you have more melanin, you're able to process more sunlight, which is why it would be impossible for all natives and indigenous peoples of the Americas to have the same skin color because they're exposed to many different environments. There's even a field of study dedicated to this called epigenetics, and it studies how environmental factors like lifestyle and behavior can influence how genes are expressed without changing the DNA. So depending on where you live and how you live your life, genetically, your genes will be expressed differently, which is why you can absolutely be Native American or Indigenous or First Nation, Indian, whatever terminology you as a Native person identify with, your tribal name or nation. You can come in every color from the lightest light to the darkest dark and still be Indigenous.